Top 3 tools to start investing for beginners. Imagine this. You wake up 10 years from now and realize you could have started investing today, but you didn't. What if I told you that time is your most powerful asset, and every day you wait to invest is one more day you're losing out on potential wealth? Most people in their 20s are sitting on the sidelines, letting fear and confusion stop them from taking action. But here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert to start investing. In fact, there are 3 simple tools that can help you begin your investment journey right now. And one of them might be the key to your financial future. Today, I'm going to show you the top 3 tools that will help you start investing. Whether you've never invested a penny before, or you're just looking for a smarter way to build wealth. If you're ready to stop procrastinating and start taking control of your financial future, keep watching. But be warned, what I'm about to show you might just change everything. Problem introduction. I get it. The world of investing can be overwhelming. You've probably heard success stories of people who got rich off of stocks, crypto, or real estate, but you've also heard the horror stories. You know the ones where people lost it all. It's enough to make anyone hesitant to take the plunge. And let's be honest, no one wants to make the wrong choice and lose money. So, what do? You end up doing nothing. You keep putting off the decision, telling yourself that you'll start next month or next year. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the further you get from your financial goals. Don't worry, I've been there. The information is overwhelming. You know you should start, but you feel like you need a PhD in finance to understand it all. Here's the good news. You don't need to be a genius to start. There are tools designed specifically for beginners, tools that simplify investing, make it accessible, and set you up for long-term success. The solution. Tool number 1. Investment apps, like Robinhood or Webull. The first tool you absolutely need is investment apps. Robinhood, Webull, and others like them have revolutionized how we invest. No longer do you need to be a millionaire to get started. You don't even need to understand all the complex jargon that comes with investing in stocks or ETFs. These apps make it so simple that literally anyone can pick them up, download them, and start trading for free. Think about it. Traditional brokers used to charge huge fees for every trade. But with apps like Robinhood and Webull, you can make trades with 0 commissions. 0. Let that sink in for a second. That's your first win right there. And the best part? These apps let you start investing with just a few dollars. You don't need to have $10,000 sitting in your bank account to get started. Want to buy a slice of Tesla? Or invest in Apple? You can do that with just $5. Of course, I'm not saying you'll get rich off $5, but hey, it's a start, right? These apps also provide tons of educational resources, guides, tips, and articles to help you understand what you're doing. This way, you can learn while you earn. And when you're ready, you can dive deeper into more advanced strategies. The more you invest, the more you learn, and the better you'll get at making smarter decisions. But before you get too excited and download one of these apps right now, let me tell you about something that can make your investments even more powerful. And I'm not talking about picking stocks like you're some Wall Street guru. The solution continues. Tool number 2, robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront. The second tool, robo-advisors. If you want to invest without having to worry about managing your portfolio every day, a robo-advisor is exactly what you need. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront are automated platforms that create a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You don't need to pick individual stocks or worry about market timing. These platforms do it all for you, based on algorithms and decades of research. Here's the thing. Most people waste years trying to pick individual stocks, guessing which companies are going to rise and fall. And let's face it, most of us don't have the time or expertise to analyze every stock on the market. But with robo-advisors, all that stress disappears. They build a portfolio for you, choose the best assets, and rebalance it automatically. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. And if you're just starting out, the best part is that robo-advisors don't require you to invest a huge amount of money. You can begin with just a few $100s. And over time, as your money grows, you can increase your contributions. Here's where it gets good. These tools are built for the long term. While you're busy living your life, your investments are quietly growing and being optimized for maximum returns. And this steady growth can snowball into something big, something life-changing. Now, let's take things up a notch. Because if you really want to build lasting wealth, there's one more tool that can help you get there faster. And I'm not just talking about finding the next big stock. The final tool, tool number 3, index funds, via Vanguard or Fidelity. Finally, let's talk about index funds. If you want to grow your wealth steadily over time, without the stress of stock picking, then index funds are your best friend. So, what exactly are index funds? They're essentially a collection of stocks, usually mirroring the entire stock market or a specific sector. So you're investing in a broad range of companies, instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. With index funds, you're getting built-in diversification. That means you're lowering your risk by investing in a whole group of companies, rather than just a few. And the beauty of index funds? They're designed to track the market's performance, and over the long term, they have consistently delivered solid returns. Here's why you need to start investing in index funds right now. Most individual investors, especially beginners, try to pick individual stocks, and 90% of them fail to outperform the market in the long run. But index funds have a proven track record of consistent growth. It's simple, effective, and one of the easiest ways to make your money work for you. Wrap up. So there you have it. 3 tools that can kickstart your investment journey. Investment apps for easy access, robo-advisors to automate your growth, and index funds to build long-term wealth with minimal risk. Still not sure where to begin? In the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to combine these tools into one winning strategy to maximize your returns. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more expert tips. But before you go, if you're ready to start investing today, check the description below for links to all 3 tools I mentioned. Time is money. Start today, and your future self will thank you.